Hi guys, good evening. Thank you for joining my channel and spending time with me. It's been many days that I haven't been in touch. I was going through kind of a little bit of a down phase. Today I wanted to talk about spirituality. I've had many people ask me about what is spirituality and how is it different from religion, and I strongly am of the thought process that being spiritual is different from being religious, and today I wanted to kind of talk briefly about the same. So just like duality is believing that there is you and there is a force or a source beyond you that created you, right? And singularity is about believing that I am aham brahmasmi, which means that I am made of the same uh, prana that my source is made of as well, right? So spirituality is also an duality. Spirituality is about being one with spirit, right? Being one with self. And I think the simplest way I can explain this is uh, to first understand who you are is to be spiritual, right? There are a lot of people who spend years of their life literally traveling from one day to another without purpose, and they will suddenly have reached their 40s. This happened with me too, and that's why I'm saying it, right? So literally I started to I was very much in the doing phase and running phase, and always running from one day to another throughout my childhood and my collegehood, as well as early marriage and children phase, right? I had my routine carved up for me, and by the time I realized I had hit my 40s, and I was like, who am I, right? Like, what am I composed of? What are my core values? What are some of the things that I understand about myself as my most cherished dreams or thoughts, and vision for my life, right? So that is the first thing that I would say is being spiritual, is to just understand who you are, like what makes you so unique and so special. And it need not be anything fancy, it need not be anything largely far reaching or big hairy audacious goal. It need not be something like that. Like, who are you first of all? What makes you happy? What makes you enjoy life, enjoy living life and being, is understanding of who you are. If you are a family person, if you value certain things above and beyond everything else, day to day existence, all of this makes you the unique being that you are, right? That is the first thing. The second thing I would say is um, what is your goal? Like, you know, what do you look forward to, right? It need not be, like I said, it need not be something ambitious or something esoteric. It can be something simple, like what do you have as your core uh, points to reach, core milestones for the following year, for the following 5 years, right? And as a mother, I have a whole lot of goals. So my examples of goals would be like to see both the children settled, to have my daughter married, very fundamental humane goals. Some of the professional goals I have are currently earn to give, so to really be able to utilize my competence and make money with the primary purpose of giving back, giving well is a goal, right? So in that way, I think you need to at least understand what are my next 5 years composed of. Do not fritter away your lifetime. So that is the second, like what are your goals. And the third, I would say, in terms of being spiritual, is being in love, right? Like your entire vibe or vibration of your energy has to be love fundamentally. So staying away from things that harm your vibration, staying away from toxic people, staying away from um news items or media or people who kind of suck your energy or take away from your life purpose, is to stay in alignment with yourself more and more, staying in love, staying in your power, keeping your energy cherished and nourished and well flourishing, thriving. So to thrive is to see that first off you understand who you are, you understand where you are going, and then you understand your vibration and stay in love, right? Stay happy. So why do you say love? Because love is the primary emotion you have in life. You have to have people around you who offer love. Take it from me, I have seen both ends of the spectrum, and it really is the most valuable fabric of life. And so take all efforts to see that you are staying in that cosmos of love, you're staying in that energy spectrum of being friendly, being loving, having love flow into your life both ways, right? So that is another aspect of spirituality for me. The fourth is to stay in focus. In focus, that means um, when people talk of meditation, they say that put on a chant, have some positive thought or think of a mantra, various things they say. What are they meaning is, they are saying stop the noise, do not allow the various stimuluses or conversations that are coming in from outside to cloud the conversation that your spirit is trying to have with you. That is the most fundamental definition of meditation, is just to stay within and listen. So to be